MG Maze Concept Car. The MG Maze concept car is a futuristic electric vehicle designed by the British automotive manufacturer MG. The car features a sleek and aerodynamic design with a low-slung profile, giving it a sporty and futuristic appearance. The MG Maze concept car is equipped with advanced electric propulsion technology, offering zero-emission driving and high-energy efficiency. The interior of the MG Maze concept car is designed to provide a comfortable and luxurious driving experience, with high-quality materials and advanced infotainment and connectivity features. The MG Maze concept car showcases the brand's commitment to sustainable mobility and its vision for the future of electric vehicles. The car's design and features reflect MG's ambition to compete in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle market and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Air Yacht V2. The Air Yacht V2 is a luxury aircraft designed for private air travel, combining the comfort of a yacht with the convenience of air travel. It features a spacious and luxurious interior, with amenities such as plush seating, entertainment systems, and high-end finishes. The aircraft is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including advanced avionics and navigation systems, to ensure a safe and efficient flight experience. The Air Yacht V2 is designed to provide a smooth and quiet ride, with advanced soundproofing and vibration reduction systems. The aircraft is powered by efficient and environmentally friendly engines, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The Air Yacht V2 can travel to a wide range of destinations without the need for frequent refueling stops. The Air Yacht V2 is built to the highest standards of safety and reliability, undergoing rigorous testing and certification processes to ensure compliance with aviation regulations. Future Fire Truck. I have seen for a very long time as a tradition of fire truck. They are painted with red and equipped with sirens and flashing lights. Future fire trucks may appear to be the same with the same bells, whistles, and sirens. But as most member companies of the Fire Apparatus Manufacturers Association, FAMA, can attest, these vehicles have indeed advanced technologically due to innovations and changes in standards like the National Fire Protection Association's NFPA 1901 standard for automotive fire apparatus or government regulations. As driverless vehicles become more commonplace, the regulatory community is debating how to best handle the new technology. Could it be realistic for a fire truck to be driven without human intervention? How well a pressure governor performs during pumping operations can only be determined over time. Self-driving machinery is a possibility, not an impossibility. Norte Electric Glider. The Norte Electric Glider is a cutting-edge, high-performance electric-powered glider designed for recreational and sport flying. It features a sleek and aerodynamic design with a focus on maximizing efficiency and performance while minimizing environmental impact. It has a capacity of 2 people. The glider is equipped with advanced lithium-ion battery technology, providing extended flight times and allowing pilots to enjoy longer soaring experiences without the need for a tow plane or winch launch. Norte Glider's electric motor offers instant power delivery, enabling smooth takeoffs and climb performance, as well as the ability to sustain altitude during periods of low lift conditions. The glider's cockpit is designed for comfort and functionality, featuring ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and advanced avionics systems for navigation and flight data monitoring. Renault Float. The Renault Float is a futuristic concept car that envisions a new approach to urban mobility and transportation. The Renault Float is designed to be fully autonomous, offering a vision of a future where vehicles can navigate urban environments without human intervention. The concept car is powered by an electric drivetrain, reflecting Renault's commitment to sustainable and environmentally friendly transportation solutions. The float features a modular design that allows it to transform based on the needs of its passengers and the surrounding environment. It can adapt to various scenarios, such as serving as a personal vehicle or as part of a shared mobility service. This concept car emphasizes connectivity and interaction with the surrounding urban infrastructure, enabling seamless communication with smart city systems and other vehicles. Lazzarini Air Car. The Lazzarini Air Car is a concept vehicle designed by Italian designer Pierpaolo Lazzarini. It is a futuristic concept that envisions a flying vehicle designed for urban air mobility. It is intended to operate both on the ground and in the air, offering a versatile mode of transportation. The air car concept includes an amphibious feature, allowing it to operate on water as well as in the air and on land. The design of the Lazzarini Air Car features a sleek, futuristic aesthetic with a focus on aerodynamics and modern styling. The concept envisions the air car as a VTOL vehicle, capable of taking off and landing vertically without the need for a traditional runway. This feature is particularly relevant for urban air mobility applications, where space for takeoff and landing may be limited. The Lazzarini Air Car is currently a conceptual design, and there are no operational prototypes or commercial versions of the vehicle available at this time.